Hey everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of installation failed on the application of a royal mods. We go to settings, as you see here in this first page of settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above we will search about a royal mods app. And we click here, we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.